My name is Maya Sadeh. I'm a potter. I love pottery, and today I'm going to show you how I designed my very tiny studio. I think that anyone can do it. So if you really want something, you need to have a little bit of space to actually make something of your own. And this is my joy in life, and I love it. Even though it's very tiny, I get along with it. And I actually have some students coming, and I only have room for one person at a time, but they love coming here. It's very intimate. I think it works great for me. So here it is. I'm going to turn the camera. Okay, so this wheel I bought secondhand, and I put it on this carpet because it makes it, it doesn't move, it doesn't wiggle, and I like it. Here's where I have my little vacuum, where I use it to vacuum the kiln that I have. That's my heater. I use it only during the winter, of course. That's my rolling machine. I'm going to open the windows here so you can see a little bit better. I have this here. It's a little bucket. I never throw the waste of clay into my sink because it's going to clog it, and I don't want it to happen, so I keep it here, and then I toss it out in the garden. This I found actually on the street, and I use it. It's very useful. Here are some stuff that I made, and I keep all my tools like that. Clay. Here's a table that I had here before, and I just put like a piece of wood on top so I can wedge and work on this because it absorbs water very good. I have my stool here. I actually have here, if you look at the bottom, I have another set of wheel. That's actually the first one that I bought. I hardly use it, but it's very good. That's my love. That's the love of my life. My kiln. It's very small, but it works. Works for me. And it's not. I don't know how you said in English, but it used like a home electricity. It doesn't take like a lot of electricity. This is where I keep all my stuff. That's actually one of my students' stuff. Here's like a high temperature, low temperature, all my bets, and that's basically. Oh, here is where I keep all my glazes, and that's basically what you need. As you can tell, the studio itself is not big. That's actually my living room, and that's the outside view. So why I did this video is just to show you that if you really want to make something, you can actually do it without spending a lot of money, having or renting your own studio. You can actually have it in your house. I'm not sure how big this place is, but as you can see it in video, it's very small. That's it for today.